New GDP numbers out today show the economy shrank 1.4% since the beginning of the year. It's the worst since the pandemic hit. The economy rebounded last year, but with the Omicron surge this past winter, the war in Ukraine, supply chain problems, and record high inflation, the economy is taking a hit. 76% of Americans believe it's only getting worse.
It's shocking. I really don't know what to say. It's, even below the worst that I thought it might be. I think the chances are at least 50-50 that we'll see a recession over the next year.
Democrats say the Build Back Better bill and student loan forgiveness will help Americans with inflation, while Republicans argue more spending will only drive it higher. WFXR's Damon Reynolds spoke with an expert today about what this all means for you. Damon, good evening.
Well, Kathleen, some fear that today's economic news is a sign that America is closer to heading into a recession. Now, this happens when we see a decline in the gross domestic product for 2 consecutive quarters. Now, in a recession, the economy contracts, the company slows production, and people are put out of work. But Dr. Alice Cassens of Roanoke College says we should pump the brakes on any of those predictions.
It's a lot of what we like to call noise.
Dr. Alice Cassens says don't be quick to worry about the 1.4% decrease in gross domestic product. In fact, she says we saw a steeper decline 2 years ago.
The recession that we had, it was a 1/4 recession that we had because of the pandemic, but that drop in GDP was much bigger, a 1/4 drop.
Government shutdowns and stay-at-home orders were the cause of that significant decline in 2020. Now, according to the Bureau of Economic Activity, decreases in private inventory investments, exports, and government spending is what is driving the latest numbers. Cassens says these factors are important, but are not what would lead to a terrible situation.
If you see consumption expenditures declining dramatically or starting to decline, then you start worrying about a recession because it matters so much to our overall economy.
For locals, the latest news is not hard to handle, especially after the last 2 years.
I realize that there are ups and downs in the economy. The main thing is to be prepared.
If I say I didn't have any doubt at all about our economy, I'd be lying, but every morning I turn everything over to the Lord.
Now, Dr. Cassens says people should focus on something they see every day, like household spending trends. She recommends tips like buying in bulk, but also budgeting. Now, the good news, she says that we should start to see a downward spiral in inflation, especially looking at the actions being taken by the Federal Reserve. Kathleen, back to you.
Damon, thank you.